If your faucet is leaking water nonstop, it's probably because of a loose supply line connection messing things up. So, here's the deal. First, you want to turn off the water supply before you touch anything. No point in making a bigger mess, right? Next, grab a wrench, or just your hands if you're lucky enough, and check if the supply line is snug where it screws into the faucet or the wall valve. If it feels loose, just tighten it up gently but firmly. Don't crank it like you're trying to win a contest. Sometimes the washers inside go bad, so swapping those out can make a huge difference. Also, keep an eye on the supply line itself. If it looks cracked or worn, it's better to replace it instead of patching it up. After tightening, turn the water back on slowly and watch closely for leaks. If you still see drips, try tightening a little more or check if the connection is cross-threaded. Remember, being patient and careful here saves you from calling a plumber for something simple. One of the biggest things people mess up with fixing a leaking supply line connection is over-tightening, which can strip the threads or crack fittings. Just tighten until snug and stop. Another common issue is ignoring worn-out washers or gaskets. Those little guys do a lot of work, so replacing them can fix leaks quickly. Lastly, some folks don't shut off the water supply first and end up with water everywhere. Always turn the water off before fiddling with connections to avoid big headaches. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors without all the hassle. It also helps contractors connect with real clients who need their skills, making home projects smoother for everyone.